Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing any mountains today. What are we doing here, love? Oh my god. So windy. What are we doing here? Right, good morning. We decided to camp out last night. We didn't want to go and camp on the mountains, so we camped here. The Czech car boot sale, which is free, may I add. Not so wild camping. But I must say, it was the best night skip I've ever had. And it's thanks to this quilt. Oh, best sleeping bag ever. So we're just going to have a bacon butty, go and have a little walk around the car boot sale, and then we're going to go off to do a nice little ridge, a nice little mountain. So stick with us, I'll see you in a bit. Beautiful day in the Ogwen Valley. Lovely day, innit, babe? Hope you can't hear nothing on this. I'm getting night very soon. I apologise in advance for sound qualities. What are we doing here, love? Look at that, I just started the camera and the wind stops. I was allowing a gale then, weren't it, babe? Yeah. That's good, I suppose, because you can hear me. Down there. Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing any mountains today. It's a bell fishing. Up to the top there. Bit of wet one on it, babe. How you feeling? Yeah. Starting to see a little bit of sun down there. Yeah. We just thought we'd just come round the lake instead. Get our rain stuff on and all that. Got absolutely soaked, like. But Mandy's just dragging me up this path here, which leads to the Devil's Kitchen. So, see where we end up, eh? Yeah. It's wet. Peaceful. Fingers crossed, if we keep going up, we might get a nice little patch of sun at some point. I'm getting knackered over. You knackered, look? Yeah. I am. Oh yeah, babe. Here's your action pose. I'll film a little bit of this because it's actually quite a nice little scrambly staircase all the way up. We're at 2,157 feet now. And the weather is a little bit better. I think it's probably because we're in the shelter. It's probably blowing a hoolie up there. Mandy's determined, dragging me up. I'm knackered. Just having a seeky rest. Right, get back to the other bit. Right, made to the top of that little scramble. Still on the top though, a little bit to go. And then go up the side of the river more. Then you get a bit of sun, it's actually beautiful. Yeah. That scramble on the way up. I reckon anybody can do that, even me. It's not too bad. Then you get up to this bit, yeah, it's just basically like a screw slope. Oh, it's nice that breeze now. It won't be nice for you because you won't be able to hear me. So windy here. I know you're not going to be able to hear me. If I shout into the camera. This is Mikey Hughes of the News 10. It's now time for the weather. Well, it's blowing again up here, check. Well, oh my god, so windy. What are we doing here? You alright, love? All the Mandy's. Yeah, further down. That's where we camped last time. Camped out there. It's quite nice. confused. And we have never been here before, so. There's the path. 2,736 feet. Feet. God. 3,160. We made it! Don't know where. There's a nice little path down here, babe. I think we should go down that way. Isn't it? A path we haven't seen done before. So I think it'll be out the wind that way because all the wind's coming this way, isn't it? Yeah, fuck it, Devil's Kitchen, I'll go down that way. Look at this. That's where we just come from there. Devil's Kitchen. And you know, many times today I felt like turning around and going because the weather was absolutely horrible, shall we say. But now that we're up here, oh, I feel great. Give us some sun, please. I'm confused now, babe. What's this mountain called? I always thought it was Garn. A cuppa. Water. Just having a little bit of flapjack. Replenish the energy levels. And I've got a nice cup of coffee. It's sunny here. Not too windy. Nice views of Lambertus. You can sort of see down the Ogwen Valley. There's where the floor. reckon as soon as I take them off though, I reckon it'll start again.
I think it's gone over now.
Do you?
Yeah. Well, I've got a bit of Daniel who was hurting me now.
Nice. It's a bit steep and slippy. Gotta take extra care here. Take care, dude. Have a push you. Don't like this path, mate. No, it was sound after this little bit here. Nice. What? Horrid. Yeah, it's minging, isn't it? The path takes you this way. Yeah, no, yeah, it's just easy. It's easier to just go straight down that way. It's probably the way up, isn't it? Zigzag. Nice. Take a look here. What? What are you saying? It looks what? Well, it doesn't feel safer. It's getting a bit better now. Yeah. Absolute minging.
Look, someone's done what I'm just about to do.
The tracks.
Skidded down. Coming your way.
Oh yeah. It's nearly over now.
What?
We're nearly alright now after this little bit. Look at that for a view. Nice. You got E-grip in there. You got Triff on there. You got Glitter Fact there. Coming over to Glitter 4 there. Devil's Kitchen's in here somewhere. Here somewhere. Then we got Penny Owen there. And you can just see Llewellyn in the background there. Or it might be David even. So it's the first time I've ever done Garn. I always looked at it. And I thought, oh, looks heavy that. Yeah, it wasn't actually too bad. All in the mind of these mountains. You're at the bottom and you're like, oh, I can't do it. Just gotta do it. Push yourself. Get out there, get up there. It just makes you feel so better once you've done it. Now Frank come by there, he's knocking into me, just push me down like, you know. That's what we will be doing if that wind picks up on bloody cheese roll down here. Yeah. What's your tactics? Well, I'm just going to duck and roll. I must be addicted to these mountains, you know. Literally, we come here, we were like, oh yeah, we want to do Bristly Ridge. And we got here, the weather was terrible. We were hoping that it'd get a little bit better, but it just wasn't. So we changed our mind. Excuse me. So we changed our mind. We thought, well, we'll just walk around the lake. So like we get all the way around the lake. We're starting to go uphill. Heading towards the Devon's Edge. Just in your mind now. You know, if we're halfway up, we may as well go. So, we've done it now. We're coming back around. Nice little path. Comes down to the water. We'll be happy campers. Yeah, it's all been made nicely, hasn't it? Blocks of rocks. Still quite high. Getting down there though. My altitude thing's having a hissy fit, saying we're at 0. No, we ain't. Oh. What? Was it? For you as well? There's the car there. Right there. No, it's not. There. Just see the little car park. Right, nearly there. Just got myself another subscriber. Do you know what? The weather's been absolutely perfect all the way down. Ever since we got to the top, weren't it, babe? See, the sun always shines on the righteous, doesn't it? Literally. We could have given that up at any point there, couldn't we? Just kept going.
Yeah, me keeping us going.
So, yeah, she does, to be fair. She doesn't work though. This week, she's been sitting on her ass all week.
Yeah. Nanny duties.
She's lying.
He's cleaned my house.
What, you cleaned your house? Did you?
My house. From 9 till 4 o'clock in the evening.
Oh. Hey, This is the mountain channel, not the bloody wifey at home doing the washing.
House that don't do nothing, Corby.
You don't? You don't? You haven't done anything in mine this week.
Cheeky bastard that cleaned yours yesterday morning.
And so you should have. It's all your mess. How are your legs and that, babe? Alright? Yes, until we get out at Aldi. Oh, we won't get out at Aldi. Funny that, isn't it? Every time on a Sunday, we get out the car at Aldi, but in Bromborough, because we drove all the way home. We get out the car like Shaking Stevens, don't we?
Yeah, like John Wayne.
Yeah. Oh, this is a bit dodgy. Little path through a bush. You are?
The rain.
Here comes the rain. Do, 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 do. Will we get some before we get to the car? Right, so back down now. That's which way we come down there. Up that little, well, big. It's in the clouds now to the top. Garn. Done and dusted.
Gone in the clouds.
Yeah, that's the way we went up there, if you can just make it out. The Devil's Kitchen. You can see it nicely just from a little bit to the right here, but awesome little scrambler. Again, recommend that for anybody. Probably going to end the video here, to be fair. But, it's only going down to the car park now. So, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a like, or even if you got any comments, you know, be happy. Be happy to answer any questions. Yeah, we're all together, a lovely day. Just lovely views everywhere we've been today. It's been a mixture of emotions, the weather, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But we did it.
Get on with it.
Alright, so don't forget to like and comment
And subscribe.
and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you later. Bye. Bye bye. thanks for watching. See you later.